Are you tired of endlessly creating content only to see them buried in the endless sea of content? Well, today, we've got a game-changing solution for you. Welcome to the Money Daily, where we're unveiling 6 secret websites that will turbocharge your channel's growth, absolutely free. These websites can skyrocket your views, build a loyal audience, and help you earn online. So if you're serious about YouTube success, these secrets are your shortcut. Whether you're a creator or a business, these 6 sites hold the keys to unlocking your channel's potential. Let's get started. Saving money has always been everyone's top priority at work. Here we'll be showing you some websites from where you will be promoting your channel content and getting views for free, so let's start without wasting any time. Slidesharenet. The first secret weapon. Slidesharenet, a platform that can skyrocket your YouTube channel's visibility like never before. Picture this. You've put your heart and soul into crafting that perfect YouTube video, but it feels like it's lost in the vast ocean of content. That's where SlideShare swoops in as your ultimate sidekick. SlideShare is a powerful platform for creating and sharing presentations, documents, and infographics. But here's the secret sauce: it's a goldmine for driving traffic to your YouTube channel. So, how does it work? By converting your video content into visually stunning presentations, you can tap into a whole new audience hungry for knowledge. SlideShare's massive user base is actively searching for valuable information, and your YouTube content can be their solution. Here's the strategy. Take the highlights, key points, or even a teaser from your YouTube video and transform it into a compelling SlideShare presentation. Add a link back to your YouTube channel, enticing viewers to click and explore more. The result? An explosion in views, subscribers, and engagement. SlideShare is your secret weapon to conquer the YouTube game. Are you excited? You should be. This is just the beginning. 1. Answers.com. Get ready to discover the second secret weapon. Answers.com. A platform that can amplify your YouTube channel's reach like you've never imagined. Ever wished you could find a platform where people are actively seeking answers to their burning questions? Look no further, because Answers.com is your golden ticket. This platform is teeming with curious minds eager to learn. Around 6.3 million people visit this website every single month, and guess what? Your YouTube channel can provide the solutions they're craving. So, what's the magic formula? By becoming an expert in your niche and providing insightful answers to questions related to your content, you'll establish yourself as the go-to authority. And the best part? You can seamlessly funnel this engaged audience straight to your YouTube channel. Let's break it down. Identify questions in your niche, craft concise yet informative answers, and strategically include links to your YouTube videos. This is a ninja-level strategy for increasing views, subscribers, and building a loyal community. 1. Miwi.com. Brace yourselves, because we're unveiling the third secret weapon. Miwi.com, the ultimate social network that can turbocharge your channel's visibility. Picture this. A social media platform that champions privacy, respects your content, and lets you connect with an audience hungry for your videos. That's Miwi, a refreshing alternative to the crowded, noisy world of mainstream social media. Around 7 million people visit this site every month, and it's perfect for amplifying your YouTube presence. So, what sets Miwi apart? It's ad-free, respects your data, and prioritizes meaningful connections. But here's the real kicker. It's a goldmine for promoting your YouTube channel organically, without the algorithmic hurdles of other platforms. Here's the game plan. Create a Miwi profile, join niche-specific groups, and share your YouTube content with an engaged and like-minded audience. The result? More views, subscribers, and an authentic community that truly values your content. Miwi.com is your secret sauce for YouTube success, and this is just the beginning. We'll unveil more hidden gems to supercharge your channel's growth. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. 1. Bitshoot.com. The fourth website on the list is Bitshoot.com, an alternative video platform. Imagine a platform that champions free speech, respects content creators, and allows you to reach a global audience without worrying about demonetization or content restrictions. That's the beauty of Bitshoot, a true disruptor in the world of video hosting. And it's your golden opportunity to amplify your YouTube presence. Over 27 million individuals visit this website each month. So, what sets Bitshoot apart? It's a haven for creators who want to speak their minds freely, share their content without fear, and engage with an audience that values unfiltered voices. Here's the strategy. Establish your presence on Bitshoot, upload your YouTube content, and tap into a whole new community that appreciates your content without the constraints of mainstream platforms. The result? Increased views, subscribers, and a dedicated audience that resonates with your message. 1. Rumble.com. Now that we've covered some incredible platforms to promote your YouTube channel, it's time to unveil the fifth secret weapon in our arsenal. Rumble.com, which has around 87 million visitors every month. This platform is an absolute game changer when it comes to expanding your YouTube reach and monetizing your content. Rumble is not just another video sharing platform. It's a powerhouse for creators who want to maximize their potential. What sets Rumble apart? It's a one-stop shop for content hosting, distribution, and monetization. And here's the kicker, it's designed to help you make money from day one. Here's the strategy. Create your Rumble account, upload your YouTube content, and tap into a vast network of viewers who are eager to discover fresh content. The best part? Rumble offers a unique revenue-sharing model that allows you to earn from both views and licensing your content. Channels from various niches have harnessed Rumble's potential to boost their income, expand their audience, and diversify their revenue streams. From cooking tutorials to viral pet videos, Rumble is your channel's secret weapon for making money online. In a world where content creators constantly seek new opportunities, Rumble.com stands as a beacon of hope. It's a platform that empowers you to reach a broader audience, earn more money, and take control of your digital destiny. 6. Gab.com. Welcome to the final frontier of our video, where we're unveiling the sixth and last secret weapon to amplify your YouTube channel's reach, Gab.com. This platform is not just a game changer, it's a catalyst for true digital empowerment. Gab is more than a social network. It's a haven for free speech, where you can connect with an audience that values unfiltered voices. It's where the echo chamber of mainstream social media shatters, and true dialogue thrives. And guess what? It's the perfect stage to supercharge your YouTube channel. Here's the strategy. Create your Gab account, share your YouTube content, and engage with a community that appreciates authenticity. Gab fosters meaningful interactions, allowing you to build a dedicated audience genuinely interested in your content. Channels spanning diverse niches have harnessed Gab's potential to expand their reach, build their community, and share their unique perspectives. From political commentary to artistic endeavors, Gab is your channel's secret weapon for unfiltered growth. In a digital landscape where censorship and conformity often reign supreme, Gab.com emerges as a sanctuary for those who dare to be different. It's a platform that empowers you to break free from the limitations of mainstream social media, connect with like-minded individuals, and share your YouTube journey without fear of suppression. In this journey through the digital frontier, we've uncovered 6 secret weapons to amplify your YouTube channel. From Slideshare to Gab.com, these platforms are your keys to unlocking unparalleled growth and engagement. Consistency and continuous improvement are keys to your growth and earning potential. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm, and there's no limit to the heights your channel can reach. The time for YouTube greatness is now. So, go forth, create, and conquer. Now, it's your turn to seize the spotlight. Take action, diversify your presence, and remember that your voice is your power. Stay authentic, engage passionately, and tailor your content for success on each platform. Hope you like the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And stay tuned for more money-making videos.